In today's video, I will teach you how to create a DIY monogram key tag. Watch until the end to learn all the tips and tricks. Welcome back, Legacy family. Today we're diving into a fun and creative project. Whether you're looking to personalize your keys, purse, backpack, or luggage, these key tags are the perfect accessory. Here are the supplies you will need: a 5x7-inch hoop, a prep patch stabilizer or cutaway stabilizer, 2 pieces of leather or fabric, temporary fabric adhesive or masking tape, fabric scissors, applique scissors or straight scissors, T-pins, Crop-A-Dile, Kam Snap, plastic snaps, optional, key ring. To start, hoop the prep patch film or cutaway stabilizer into your embroidery hoop. If you're using the prep patch film, make sure the rough side faces down towards the bobbin. Secure the stabilizer with T-pins at the top and bottom of the hoop. Next, place the hoop into your machine and run the outline stitch for the monogram tag. Be sure to stop your machine once it completes this step. Now remove the hoop from the machine and cut your first piece of fabric. Use masking tape to secure the fabric to the stabilizer, overlapping the outline stitch by 1/4 inch on all sides. Return the hoop to the machine and run the stem stitch of the monogrammed letter. Stop the machine once this step is complete. Remove the hoop again and apply your second piece of fabric to the underside of the hoop. Use temporary spray adhesive to secure it, ensuring it overlaps the outline stitch by at least 1/4 inch on all sides. Flip your hoop right side out and return it to the machine. Proceed to run the outline stitch of the design, securing the front and back pieces of fabric together. Once the final outline is stitched, remove the hoop from the machine and cut around the outside of your project, keeping your cut line 1 to 2 mm from the border stitches. Now, use your Crop-A-Dile to punch holes along the placement stitches on the arm of the key tag. Line up your plastic snaps with the holes and use the Kam Snap tool to secure them in place. And there you have it, a beautifully monogrammed tag accessory for your keys, purse, backpack, or luggage. Personalize your accessories and add a touch of flair to your everyday items. If you're new to embroidery or just don't have time to digitize your own files, then check out our Legacy Club library of over 30,000 embroidery design files ready for you to try. Click the link in the description to check them out and get embroidering. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then watch this video next. Happy embroidery!